What would you get if pumpkin pie and cheesecake clashed together with an explosive force? The remains pumpkin cheesecake. Okay, yeah, it's a bit cheesy. But it's almost that time of the year where most Americans will stuff themselves with turkeys and everything nice. This cheesecake will be the rave of the party. Line the rice cooker with baking paper or parchment paper. Carefully pour in the crumbs, staying inside of the baking paper. Use a flat surface item to push the crumb to the bottom. If you are using fresh pumpkin, steam it first. You can use a grinder to grind up your pumpkin. I don't have one, so I'm just going to use my mixer. And it's okay if you do have chunks of pumpkins. The batter until it is smooth, and taste your batter for your sweetness level before adding the egg. Carefully pour the batter onto the crust. Push the baking paper tight to the side where the batter may leak out. Okay, warning, don't do this. This was a bad idea, but I had some pumpkin left over, so I decided to make a design. The additional pumpkin made the batter really wet and took a lot longer to bake. Alright, let's start baking. If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the rice cooker will only stay in this cook status for about 5 minutes or so, and it will go into a warm state. And this is completely normal. When we're baking in the rice cooker, the batter does not have much liquid, and so the rice cooker must cool down. If you try to hit that cook button before it cools down, it will not go into that cook status. You just need to allow it to cool, because your baked good is still baking even in the warm state. You do, however, have to remember to come back and push that cook button again when it cools down. That's why I set a timer for 30 minutes right after I push that cook button. And then when the timer goes off, I just come back and push that cook button again. Do not open your rice cooker until after the second or third bake cycle. We do want to keep that hot air inside to continue to bake your goodies. I usually check after the second bake cycle. Repeat the cook cycle until your baked good is completely cooked. And I use a chopstick. You know your baked good is done when there's no batter stuck to the stick. After the cheesecake has chilled overnight, let's cut into this thing. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. You need to bake it. It may take a while to bake in your rice cooker, but you will not regret it. The walnut in this crust just raised the bar on this cheesecake. So good. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. Also, I would really appreciate it if you share my videos and channel with your friends and families and ask them to subscribe as well. But until next time, have a wonderful day.